Hello, it's Elizabeth, the Minister of Beauty. I'm so happy because I finally got my notification that my shade of foundation in the Fenty Beauty line was available. It had been out for several months. I was able to get color matched when I went to Sephora several months ago, but luckily they had my shade in the samples because there were some shades that weren't even available in the samples, which is crazy. But yeah, when I got my notification, I went ahead and ordered it, so I finally have it. So I wanted to try it out and let you know what I thought. As you know, I don't wear foundation or much makeup on a regular basis, so I've heard nothing but great things about the line. The packaging is really nice, and I love the note card about perfect with it being scratched out, because nobody's perfect. Nobody. So this is the foundation, and my shade is 400. So I'm just going to shake it up really good. And then I'm going to just put a little bit on my palette, just a couple of pumps. So as you can see there, that's not a whole lot, and that was about 2 pumps. So I'm going to use this silicone facial sponge to apply the foundation to my face. So I'm just dabbing it in there just a little bit. My face is already clean, it's already primed. My moisturizer also doubles as a primer, so I don't need to do that right now either. So I'm applying it all over my face. Under my neck, not under my neck, under my chin, and a little above my neck, going down to my neck. So I've completed my face, and I still have product remaining just from those 2 pumps, so that is really great. So I'm going to use this suede color of the Fenty Beauty matchsticks for my concealer under my eyes. I'm just going to use this silicone sponge to blend that in. I'm going to use this Dome foundation brush because it's just really soft, and I love the very soft bristles on this brush, and I'm just using that to blend all over. So I'm going to use the Moscow Mule of the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt as a highlighter. And I'm just using this Billion Dollar Brows taupe color to fill in my brows. And then I'm just going to highlight my brow bone. Just using my ring finger to just blend that in. Okay, Okay, so now I'm finally getting the chance to use my Kilowatt Stunner lip paint that I ordered the day after Thanksgiving, I believe. I hadn't used it since I bought it. I said I would not use it until I got my foundation in, so now I'm finally getting the chance to try it. The color is uncensored, and it's the one red that the line says that any woman or man of any shade can wear this shade of red. So we shall see. I like the bottle that it comes in. It kind of looks like nail polish. My lips are already moistened and hydrated and exfoliated. So now I'm going to apply this. And this red is a stunner for sure because it's definitely bright. There's always a margin of error when applying lip color, especially reds that are this type of, shall we say, consistency? Yeah, that's the word. So I'm just going to clean that up a little bit. And then I'm going to go around my lips with my foundation to clean up anything that might be outside of my lips that I don't like. It's a good thing I still had some of that foundation left over on my palette. It came in handy. So now it's all applied, and I love the way the foundation feels. It doesn't feel like I have anything on, and that's what I love about it. I've never been one that's been big on liquid foundations because I tend to have more combination and oily skin, so I don't want anything that's going to make me feel greasy or like an oil slick. But my skin feels really matte. It's just a little shiny on the areas where I've applied some of the Kilowatt. But I am loving this foundation, so this will definitely be my go-to foundation. So I'm glad that I finally got my shade. So these are all of the products that I use in the Fenty Beauty line, but this is the foundation and the 400 shade. My skin still looks really natural and soft. If I wanted to go with a more full coverage, I could have just added some more, but this is enough for me. The Stunner lip paint, it's really pretty. I will definitely wear it again. I didn't line my lips, but I think it looks really nice. So I'm loving this foundation, and I'm glad that I finally got it in. So this has been my review of the Fenty Beauty foundation. It's definitely thumbs up for me, and I hope you will give this video a thumbs up. This is Elizabeth, the Minister of Beauty, sharing the Bible. That's business, inspiration, beauty, life, and enjoyment. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video. And until then, I hope you have an amazingly blessed and beautiful day.